NFTs, not that fashionable? Today, we're going to find out. So, what is an NFT? Well, before we go any further into defining that, let's have a look at what's been happening in the fashion world over the last 1.5 to 2 years.
Would you buy clothes that don't exist? And how much would you be willing to pay?
Is getting into non-fungible tokens, which are the NFTs that have taken off over the past couple of months.
NFT stands for non-fungible token. Now, when I first heard it, I thought it sounded like a pick and mix at a cinema, but the word fungible actually means something that can be replaced with something identical. So non-fungible obviously means the exact opposite. So these are tokens that are one-of-ones and cannot be replaced by anything else that's identical to you. They are cryptographic assets recorded on the blockchain with unique identification codes and metadata that distinguishes each one from the other. Unlike cryptocurrencies, which are fungible, they are identical, therefore they can be used as a means of exchange, sort of like Bitcoin or Ethereum. I hope I'm making sense. Great, but how does this apply to fashion, I hear you say? Well, let's get to that. One of the most common ways fashion brands are applying this technology is by attaching physical items to their digital equivalents. For example, in 2021, a digital replica of Gucci's Dionysus bag was sold on the Roblox platform for around $4,115, making it more expensive than the physical bag equivalent. Another way is through experiences. So major fashion houses are creating virtual versions of their products that can be experienced through augmented reality. Just last autumn, Balenciaga showcased their collection through the video game Afterworld. So as you can see, the possibilities are endless. Yeah, but what's that got to do with you? The first thing you need to understand is the difference between digital wearables and fashion NFTs. Digital wearables are items of clothing that are worn by your avatar on the metaverse or in a game. Fashion NFTs are limited collectible collections that can be purchased with cryptocurrencies. The attraction, in all honesty, is just another way to flex. Sort of like when your boy has the latest pair of Jordans or, I don't know, Supreme's release or something. It's another way of saying, I've got the latest and greatest so-and-so. NFTs can also go up in value exponentially, but it is a new space and still kind of defining itself, so I would proceed with caution if you're planning on speculating. As a matter of fact, I would avoid it altogether. That's not investment advice, by the way, just for the record. So, where can I buy digital currencies? I hear you asking. I'm going to show you, don't worry about it, we're getting to it. DressX is kind of leading the way when it comes to an e-platform which resembles your typical online retailer. It allows you to upload photos of yourself with your NFT drip on, so it's pretty cool, and the prices range from $2 upwards. So there's something there for anyone and everyone. They've also got a mobile phone app, which is pretty cool. Smartphone for my American friends, or cell phone. Which one is it? 010 also allows you to try on your digital clothes. It will also allow you to share images of you with your digital clothes onto your social media. There are other platforms that I could go into, but these two are very user-friendly, so they're perfect if you're relatively new to the NFT crypto space. So in conclusion, the whole crypto, NFT and blockchain technology, also known as Web3 as an umbrella term, is probably the most exciting thing to happen to fashion since maybe the iPhone came out, certainly for me anyway. It is, again, as I said, still in its infancy, so it's something that I'm really just having fun with at the moment and just spectating. Once the lines begin to darken, the grey lines begin to darken, and the industry defines itself a little bit more, and it's a bit more easier for the average layman to understand, then I think you can begin to think about looking at digital fashion as assets. But at the moment, just have fun with the technology and go out there and explore it. But I would kind of hold fire on speculating and thinking it's a way of making money. There's a lot of hype out there and you've got to be careful. But it is an exciting time and it's something that's here to stay. And all the big fashion brands are investing heavily into digital fashion. So keep your eyes peeled. If you like this video, guys, please smash the like button. And if you're not a subscriber and you've come across this channel, subscribe. I am trying to grow the channel and grow this community. I hope you enjoy this video, guys. Please share it with a friend. If you've got a friend who's into tech or is into fashion, this would be great for him to join the conversation as well. Really appreciate you taking time to watch my video, guys. Follow me on social media. All the links are below, and I will catch you on the next one. Peace.